Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah. I've been the shoulder, I've been the light, held my family up through the darkest nights.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. And if this is the first time of coming across my channel, please, I'd like you to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. So I'm sure we've heard this music and we love it. So I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step tutorial on how to create it. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using the phone and not the laptop. For those who do not own a laptop but are very creative and would like to create something for themselves. But I must warn everybody, because most people are looking for free resources, free tools, free this, free that. Please, if you want to get the best of any AI tool, you have to subscribe. And for this platform, if you are able to generate your music and you want to own the copyright to this music, then you must subscribe to it. So let's head into the tutorial and get started.
So this tutorial is for us to make the song. You're just listening to a song right now. It's lovely, right? Now we are going to make the song. What do? Go head over to your any AI model of your choice. It could be Claude, it could be ChatGPT, it could be Meta, it could be anything. But for the purpose of this video, just use whatever engine you want to use for it. Then you give it a prompt, or you copy and paste. Whatever lyrics you have generated or you have written down. You can paste it here. You can, let's, for instance, we assuming that you don't have any lyrics. This is for those who don't have any lyrics. Then you can go and say, write me a song about the stars for children. It should be now. For this purpose of this video, we've written our prompt. We are going to type it. When we type it, it writes the song for you. It writes the song for you. And so from writing the song for you, we're going to head engine. Here we are going to copy and paste what we have gotten from. Now I'm not going to paste here because I do not want to. There is simple, there is custom, so you don't have to go to simple. You're going to go to custom because you've already generated your lyrics. If you've not gotten your lyrics or you've not written down your lyrics, then you can use simple. Simple can as well do what the other any AI you want to use can do. So once I impute this the same prompt I impute in that AI model tools that I use, it's going to generate lyrics and everything for me. But for the purpose of this, because we've generated it, I'm just going to come here at the space for the lyrics. I impute, I paste. Now you can see that I have pasted this. But no, you're not going to. When you're working with AI, you must make sure that you read. You don't just take whatever AI gives you, because it writes something for you and then you take it. You're not how would I put it? You don't edit it. You must always edit it. Now, for the purpose of this, you follow me as I do with what I am doing. Now I'm going to cut out this part because this part actually doesn't belong to this part of it doesn't belong to the lyrics part. So I'm going to bring it down here because it contains the style of the song that I am generating. And here for this place, this is the title of the song. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it here. Good. So I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it here, then I'm going to click on create. Now we're going to wait for it while it generates. So you can see strumming something special. My groove is on the way, and then voila, when it creates, it's going to appear on this place that has to do with my song. You can see that it's already created. Now let's listen to one of it.
Twinkle, twinkle, starry crew. Look up high, what do you see? Little light.
Okay, so sounds great, right?
So that was easy, right? Yes, it's easy. All you need is your determination and your creativity. It is not difficult. You don't have to use an iPhone. No, you can use an Android phone to get what you want. And if you got value for watching this tutorial, please drop a meaningful comment, like, share, subscribe. And again, if you would like me to take on another tutorial, please drop the tutorial or whatever you want me to teach you on the comment section. I will go through it and then I would make a video of it. Until then, I'm still the first AI chameleon princess. Ciao.
First day